Notify provides choice. We have a variety of different options. The overlay, like we just talked about, is the most unique one in that we're the only platform that will connect to all of these disparate systems, but also connect to the new technologies. So if you have a 10-year-old nurse call system that functions, there's no reason to replace that hardware. You want to bring in sensors, you want to bring in fall detection, you want to bring in locating. All of those things are connected to Notify, and Notify allows you to connect to those pieces and extend the life of your system without the cost of replacing the existing hardware.